Well, I'm at school. You're probably still in bed, snug as a rug, feeling so good. But I thought we'd do a little review for our test. So turn off the video and do these two problems and then turn me back on. I'll show you how to do them. Well, welcome back. Welcome back. Solve by substitution. I'd probably solve for this one because it has a 1 in front of it. See, the others have numbers other than 1. You'll get fractions. Oh, no. So to solve this, I would subtract 2x to get the y by itself. So we have y equals 5 minus 2x. So then we're going to take this, put it in for this y. So we'd have 3x minus 5. Oh, substitute. There you go. Good job, good job. Then this would be 3x minus 25. Now this would be plus 10x equals 1. So I'm going to add the 25. Good. Get it by itself. Add the x's. Good. So divide both sides by 13. X equals 2. But we're not done. You hope you're done, ready to go get that cookie to be happy, but no. You got to put that back in to the x here or here or here and solve. I'm going to put it into this x. So y equals 5 minus 2x. So y equals 5 minus 2 times 2. 2. So y equals 5 minus 4. Now I kept the numbers nice just to make sure you understood what was going on. So our answer is 2, 1. Now, we already did this one. The addition method, I'm going to get opposite of the y just because I feel like it. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 and this by 5. So this would be positive 15y. This would be minus 15y. So it would be 9x plus 15y equals 24. And this would be 10x minus 15y equals negative 5. So this would be 19x equals 19. Divide by 19, x equals 1. But I'm not done. Put this in here or here. So 3 times 1. Sorry for all the shaking. I'm doing this at school and it's a different thing. So, 3 times 1 plus 5 times y equals 8. Subtract 3. 5y equals 5, so y equals 1 when you divide both sides of 5. So you get the sleeping owl. See? I'm a sleeping owl. Now I have 4 problems down here. Turn off the video and do them, and then I'll do them, and I'll show you some tricks that might make life a little easy. Okay, thank you. Now, you're going to do by the way you want. That's my emoji. You know what emoji is? Oh, let's stop a minute. Today is brought to you by Coke. Tastes good, wake you up, and anything with a polar bear on it has to be good. Anyways, I would do this by substitution. It's already solved for y, so just put this into here. So I'd have 4x plus 3, 3x minus 1 per substitution equals 36. So this would be 4x plus 9x minus 3. This 3 goes to both terms. So, I'm getting winded. This is 13x. 4 plus 9 is 13x. Add 3. So equals 39. Divide by 13. Hey. X equals trace. Now, I got to put that back in to here or here. I'm going to choose here because it's already done. Y equals 3 times 3 minus 1. So y equals 8. Hey. Now, let's try this one. Now, I would do addition method. Look, they're already opposite. Oh, my goodness. It's almost done for you. So add x and x is 2x minus 2y plus 2. Oh my goodness, that's 0. How lucky. So divide by do-si-do, x equals 1. So we're going to put that in here or here. I'm going to put it in here. So y plus 2y equals 1 plus 2y. I think I said y. Oops. Subtract 1, 2y equals 2. So divide by 2, y equals 1 again. Again, I'm picking nice number answers. This one. Now, you could do this two ways. Whenever you have a fraction in your problem, here's a little trick coming. Little trick. Don't have to do this, but I would multiply everything by 2. Do you have to? Nope. But I don't like fractions. So here we go. X plus 2y equals 10. So you got to do it to every term. 1/2 times 2 is 1x. Plus 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Now let's see how we want to do this now. You get to choose. I'm going to do this the opposite, or the addition method, because look, 1x, just multiply one of them by -1. So I'm going to multiply the second one by -1. Oops, I mean the first one. I rewrote the second one. I made a boo-boo, didn't I? So it'd be -x minus 2y equals -10. So it'd be x minus x, 0. It is gone. Minus 5y equals -15. Divide by -5y equals 3. Now I'm going to take that and I can put it in here or here. I'm going to put it in here. So x minus 3 times 3 equals -5. And then this is minus 9. -5. So add 9. So x equals 4. So the answer is 4, 3. Yay! Last problem. Now there's two ways to do this. I could divide everything by 2, or I could distribute the 2. I'm going to distribute it. I like to distribute. 2x plus 6y equals 16. So notice I just distributed here and here. Not to here because it's not in parentheses with the 2. So 2x, 3 times 2 is 6y. Now I'm going to look at this. Do I want to do this by addition or substitution? Well, notice if I do this by substitution, I'm going to have fractions. Ooh, I don't want fractions. So I'm going to do this by addition. I'm going to multiply this by 3 to make it 6. I'm going to multiply this by -2 to make it -6. So it's 6x plus 18y equals 48. Just multiplied everything by 3. Here I multiplied everything by -2, so -6x plus 8y equals 4. So I have 26y equals 52. Divide by 26. Y equals 2. Woohoo! Now I can put that in for y here or here. I'm going to put it in here. I don't know why I want to, but I do. So it'd be 3x minus 4 times 2 equals -2. So 3x, well, I'm making a mess here. I apologize. Minus 8 equals -2. So add 8 to both sides. You get 3x equals 6. Divide by 3, x equals 2. So my answer is 2, 2. Sorry about this. I should have went to the back side, but didn't plan that out so well. Here, I'll do it one more time. Let you freeze it if you want to look at it a little closer. So I put 2 in here, and then so I've got messy with it. Isn't that a rap song? I got messy with my room. I don't know. Okay. So have a good day. Ooh, look, it's a chair.